Throwing assist. There are two drunk persons, namely John and Donnie, in the side of the swimming pool, when suddenly John jumped in the swimming pool but doesn't know how to swim.
Diyan ka nasa, pre.
Hindi, kaya ko pa. Tuloy natin doon.
Girl?
Di pa ako lesson, pre. Kaya ko pang lumahoy.
Tara.
Uy, pre. Pre, ito lang. Dito kayo lumahoy. Pre, tulong.
Den! Oh, may nalulunod doon. Lasing yun. Tara, please.
Reaching assist.
Uy, Ben! Gusto saan pala maligo dito? Tara ka sa gitna.
Saan ko na napaimot ha?
Wading assist.
Uy, ako ito ng mga Tulong! May nalulunod doon na! Sir, wait lang, sir. Sir.
Slope entry assist.
Tulungan nyo, may nalulunod doon. May nalulunod. Tulungan nyo.
Manual inline stabilization.
Oh, gingingi.
The importance of these techniques lies in their ability to provide a structured and safe approach to water rescue. By mastering these techniques, rescuers can adapt to a variety of solutions, ensuring the safety of both themselves and the person they are to rescue. The importance of training and experience to be overstated, as these techniques require proper knowledge and practice to be effectively utilized.